restored his life, you healed his heart. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. Like Jonah in the deep, trying to escape, running from purpose and running from grace. But in the dark, you kept him alive, and not to destroy him, but to realign. You gave him another chance to obey. What he avoided, he faced that day. Even in disobedience, you stayed the same. You called me back, you called my name. Yeah. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. Even when I ran. Yeah, when I cried out, you heard my voice. You never gave up on me. When I gave up, you held me close. You never gave up on me. You showed the way. You never gave up on me. I'm standing here. No more fear, no more fear. Now I believe you never gave up on me. I receive you never gave up on me. I'm free, you never gave up on me. Say it again, you never gave up on me. You won't stop now, you never gave up on me. I am now, you never gave up on me. Louder now. DJ Jerryman, keep it moving. Let the sound reach heaven. Because when I was running, you waited for me. When I was silent, you spoke for me. You never gave up on me. You never gave up on me. From my past to my present to my future, forevermore. Say it again. Say it again. You never did again. Say it again. You never gave up on me. Say it again. Never gave up on me. Everybody now. Let it rise. You never gave up on me. Praise God before us.
Praise go before us is the title for this one. Remain connected. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.